Just to give you a quick pan around of where we are. Obviously this is the wall that we raised the height of. You can see that all the way along, and capped and tiled on the tops. Look over here. Beyond the ponds there is the garage. Let's see if I can get a good shot from this side for you. Yeah, you can just make out the roof up there. So we've done all the tiles up there as well. Replaced 42, I think it was, and reseated about 40. So that's all done. Waterfall to be done, but we'll get onto that in due course. Right then, the roof. So, retiling and sealing. So, this wall here has all been endothened and rubbed down. As is this one. So we've got some tidying up to do when we finish. And over here, this is the problem roof, the bit Stuart's on now. So this wall has also been endothened as well and rubbed down. This has been refelted underneath Stu's feet, and then he's just retiling all of it. A closer look, you can see what's happening.
Creating a new valley side of a valley.
It'll look fantastic when it's all done.